When I was a kid, I believed I could bring drawings to life. In the 90s in Poland, I watched a cartoon about a magical pencil. Anything you drew became real, and I wanted it more than anything. But everyone told me the same thing. That's impossible. So I kept drawing anyway. Years later, something changed. That pencil became a screen. My drawings became real. I wasn't just drawing anymore. I was bringing them to life. This is WiNNiE. This is Eddie. This is Mike. They all started as drawings in my head. And now, they live in the real world. Even she became part of it. She doesn't even know. This was just a dream once.
Something is directly in front of me.
They told me it was just a cartoon.
I will keep watching.
That's impossible.
Neural processors sing.
This is just a dream.
Operational readiness.
They were wrong.
Article.
I found my magic pencil.